Hello students, welcome to today's exciting math lesson. In this video, we'll dive into the worlds of ratio and proportion and learn how to solve problems with ease. So grab your notebooks and pen and let's get started. First things first, let's clarify what ratio and proportion are. A ratio is a comparison between two quantities, and a proportion is an equation that states that two ratios are equal. For example, the ratio of boys to girls in a class can be written as 3 is to 2. Now, let's move on to some fun examples. Imagine you have a fruit basket with 6 apples and 4 oranges. What is the ratio of apples to oranges? That's right, it's 6 is to 4, which simplifies to 3 is to 2. Now, let's learn how to use proportion. If we know that 4 apples cost 100 pesos, how much would 10 apples cost? Let's find out together. To solve this problem, we'll use the proportion method. We set up a fraction, 4 apples over 100 pesos equals 10 apples over the x pesos. That's the missing one. I want you to cross multiply and solve for x. So, 4 times x is 4x equals 10 times 100 pesos. Divide both sides by 4 and we get x equals 250 pesos. So 10 apples would cost 250 pesos. Easy, right? Great job so far. Let's test your knowledge with a quick quiz question. Ready? Here it is. If the ratio of cats to dogs in a neighborhood is 5 is to 3, and there are 15 dogs, how many cats are there? Think about it, and I'll reveal the answers shortly. Feel free to pause this video and think for your solution. Time's up! The correct answer is 25 cats. Well done if you got it right. Alright, it's time to level up our ratio and proportion skills. We'll dive into some real-life scenarios where these concepts come in handy. Don't worry, I'll guide you through each step of the way. Problem number 1, scaling up recipes. Let's say we have a recipe for a single cake that requires 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, and 0.5 cups of butter. But we want to bake cakes for a party with 20 guests. How much of each ingredient do we need to scale up? To scale up the recipes, we need to multiply each ingredient's quantity by 20, the number of cakes we want to make. So, for flour, it's 2 cups times 20 equals 40 cups. For sugar, it's 1 cup times 20 equals 20 cups. And for butter, it's 0.5 cups times 20 equals 10 cups. That's it. Now we have the ingredients needed to bake 20 delicious cakes. Problem number 2. Calculating distance. Imagine you are planning a road trip with your family. Your destination is 180 miles away, and you want to calculate how long it will take to get there at a constant speed of 60 miles per hour. To calculate the time it takes, we use the formula time equals distance over speed. So, time is equal to 180 miles over 60 miles per hour. The unit miles cancels out, leaving us with time equals 3 hours. You can reach your destination in 3 hours if you maintain a speed of 60 miles per hour. And for our last problem, this problem is all about sharing in a group. Let's explore a scenario where you and your friends want to share a box of candies equally. You have 100 candies, and there are 5 of you. How many candies does each person get? Here is the step-by-step solution. To divide the candies equally, we use the formula. Number of candies each person gets equals total candies over number of people. So, number of candies each person gets is equal to 100 candies over 5 people. That's 20 candies each. Now, everyone in your group can enjoy the treat. Great job, learners! We've tackled some real life scenarios with ratio and proportion. From scaling up recipes for a party, calculating travel time on a road trip, to sharing treats among friends. With practice, you'll effortlessly apply these skills in everyday situations. Keep up the fantastic work. Goodbye, everyone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more awesome lessons. See you in our next quest.